Hi there, friend. I'm Pip the Potty Pal. I'm so happy you're here today. We're going to learn all about using the potty, just like the big kids do. Don't worry, I'll be with you every step of the way. Are you ready? Let's go!
Good morning, sunshine, it's a brand new day. Time to learn something in a fun new way. Stretch your arms now, clap with me. Let's learn how to potty. 1, 2, 3.
When your tummy rumbles, don't be shy.
Say potty time
and give it a try. Pull down your pants, take your seat.
You're doing great, that's super neat. I'm a big kid, yes it's true. I use the potty, how about you? Flush it down and wash my hands. I'm the coolest in the land.
Wash your hands, oh yeah, that's right.
Then toss the paper out of sight.
Push the hand, wash it, go.
You're a potty pro, now you know. I'm a big kid, yes it's true. I use the potty, how about you? Flush it down and wash my hands. I'm the coolest in the land. Wash with soap and scrub, real fun. Bubble party, woo! We're not done. Rinse it off, now dry with glee. Look at you, so proud and clean. You tried your best, you did it right.
You're a potty star shining bright.